My friend was fostering, one of my best friends, and I could see the remarkable job she was doing with her child. And I thought, I wonder if I could do it. And she said to me, you can do it. And it's because of her and what I saw what she'd done for this little girl, sort of done it.
I've been fostering for about, going on 7 years, yeah?
Yeah.
For 7 years. We've got a young girl with us at the moment, 13.
And I've got a little boy who was 12. Once met, never forgotten, I have to say. And he came into our lives for a reason, to bring each other into our lives, wasn't it? And because of that relationship with the little man, we've got such a solid relationship. We're more than sisters, we're more than family. Fostering has done a lot for us, really, in that respect, hasn't it?
Yeah. I'd like to thank him, actually, for
introducing us. The children who come into care are not bad children. Some children ask to come into care because the circumstances beyond their control. And 95% of the time is fun. Fostering is fun. You can't say anything different, because I think if you do it, then there's something's not right, because these children don't come into your life for not to have fun. And if you can make it fun, that's what life's all about, isn't it?
It's supporting them and being there for them, and like they have contact with their families, and you're there for that. The little boy I had, when we'd go and meet his mum, and I'd be there talking to her, and we'd be laughing and joking, and when we walked away, he'd say to me, "Elaine, you like my mum, don't you?" I said, "Of course I like your mum, she's lovely." You know, and that, I think, is what a child needs to you.
You want them to have a future.
And be happy.
And you want them to be a valued member of their community, a valued member of society. You want them to have the ambitions, you want them to have their dreams, you want their dreams to come true.
For the first time in my life, doing my job, I am proud of myself. Yeah. I'm absolutely proud of myself.
I'm proud of you and all that.
I'm proud of you as well.